Okay.
At first, we will jump to Google and search VSCode. Then on the lower section, we can see the download button. Now, click that download button. We can able to see the VSCode homepage now.
Oh my god! Wow!
Now on the taskbar, we can able to see various sections like the documents, updates, blog.
Yeah, boy.
Now comes the API and extension sections. If we click the extension, a new tab opens up where it provides various extensions of VSCode. Now by not wasting any time, download and install it in your computer. After installation, go to your home screen and right click and create a folder. If you right click on a folder, you can choose the Open with VSCode option, or inside the folder, right click and choose the Open with VSCode option. Now the VSCode opens up, as you can able to see the main screen of it.
Oh my god! Wow!
Now on the left side, you can able to see the folder you have created. Right besides it, you can see 4 options. With the first one, you can create file, and the second one, create folder if you want to. Now with the create file option, create a .html file. We can create various files with extensions like .css files, .js files, and for me, CSS files are like the heart of HTML.
Okay.
Then we can create .js file. Now let's jump to the extension part. Now the first extension we have to install is the live server extension. Just search it, install it, and enable it, as it helps us to open your HTML document on your browser directly.
Yeah, boy.
Another extension is the autoclose tag, as it helps a lot more while writing a tag, as it saves your time and increase productivity. Then comes the HTML CSS support, which helps a coder while writing HTML and CSS, as it completes all the ID and classes attributes, supports template, inheritance and more, validate the CSS selector and much more. You can also customize your VSCode UI by choosing the theme you love. At present, my favorite theme extension is the Coder, as applying themes refreshes your mind. You can search for various themes you love for on the extension bar. Now on the index.html, press Shift+1 for the exclamatory and press enter. You can able to see the whole HTML structure. It really saves a lot of time. As earlier, we have installed live server extension. The main purpose of it is that when we have created an HTML document, to see it, just right click and choose the Open with Live Server. It will display your main output on your default browser. I think many of you know this, but some who does not know it will help them. Terminal is the most important thing. To jump to see the terminal, press Ctrl+Tilt. Terminal is the most important thing, where later on if you jump to any programming language to run the code, we have to use the terminal a lot. At last, if you love my video, give it a like and subscribe. Thank you.